Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shams Fatima from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. So today my topic is based on my internship which was done in this government sector called Railway Factory under the guidance of Dr. Shalini V, Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Science and Engineering. So the contents are the certificate which I have received, introduction, objectives, plan of the work, results and conclusion, and references. So this is the certificate which was issued from the railway factory. Moving on to the introduction part. The introduction part involves what exactly I have learned from the internship which was held at the railway factory. So the internship at railway factory involved working extensively with the ASP.NET Core MVC 6 platform. So the MVC is nothing but monitoring, controlling and viewing. So it basically has three roles of monitor, view and control. So I was dwell with the role of intern at the RWF, highlighting the objects pursued during this period. This report aimed to encapsulate my journey, detailing the project's undertaking, encountering the challenges and acquired skills throughout this experience. Collaborating with the seasoned professionals, I gained hands-on experience in crafting under user authentication and authorization forms using .NET Core MVC 6, enriching my understanding of platform, also learning about the SQL commands as well. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. In this report, I have added an advanced enhancement of my internship position and also about the objective of my internship. So, let's have a look at the internship position description. During an internship, I was tasked with the utilization of the .NET Core MVC platform, where my duties included aiding in the development of the user authentication authorization forms, also the SQL commands under the guidance of Mr. Rao, programmer at the RWF. Now, let's have a look at the objectives. The objective involves practical skills in utilizing the ASP.NET Core MVC 6 platform and also engaging with the teams and the fellow interns to devise and execute the solution collaboratively to enhance the communication skills and also the teamwork collaboration ability through presenting work to peers and participating in the team endeavors. To familiarize yourself with the project management best practices encompassing goal setting, timeline establishment, and also the progress monitoring. Regular feedback from the mentors and colleagues to refine skills and enhancement work quality continuously. Thoroughly document tasks and compile a project portfolio showcasing the pro efficiency in the .NET Core MVC 6 platform. To explore the potential career pathway within the industry and also to develop the strategic plan for ongoing training. Now, let's move on to the plan of work. Many web applications need to restrict access to certain resources to authorized users only. Achieving this requires user authentication, allowing the user to register and log in. Authentication verifies a user's identity by comparing their credentials with those stored in the database. Upon successful authentication, the server determines the user's access to the resource. The application necessitates a login page with field for the user to input their credentials. Using .NET Core MVC 6, our primary objective is to develop a registration page and also a login page. Additionally, action will be prepared to validate input credentials effectively. Also, I learned to identify the SQL commands from the given Excel sheets from the RWF to separate the set of parameters from the SQL commands such as select, update, delete, etc. So here is the picture of registration page wherein you can add your name, user ID, email, contact number, password, and also the captcha. This page leads to the registration part. Post the registration, you can just use the username and password to log in the credentials. So this is the dashboard wherein the employer's database can be stored. If there is some authentication in the user and the password, there is an option of changing the password as well. So the OTP will be sent to the mail, and hence you can change the password. Here, the database talks about the employees database. So the employee has name, contact number, email, etc. So this is the database which is being stored by the company. So here is the Excel sheet wherein I had to separate the SQL commands such as the parameters and the attributes from the SQL given code. Now let's have a look at the result part. I utilize VS Code as my project development environment, a popular choice among web developers, user-friendly interface, and extensive support for various programming languages and the frameworks. Its intuitive interface and features create a conducive environment for implementation, allowing for easy navigation and efficient editing. Notable features include the live server extensions, enabling real-time viewing of web project changes along with the error identification and also the syntax highlighting. VS Code offers a wide range of extensions that enhance functionality and provide the support for additional programming languages. During my training, I also focused on user registration and logging forms, gaining expertise specifically in working with the .NET Core MVC 6 platform. I also got an expertise development of SQL commands. Now, moving on to the conclusion part. In the conclusion, I would like to mention my internship provided me a valuable practical skills and knowledge development. During this period, I focused on creating a user authentication and authorization page. I applied my expertise in C hash, SQL, HTML, and CSS to execute this project effectively. I gained hands-on experience with the tools such as VS Code and MSQL. Alongside technical skills, I developed essential soft skills such as communication, collaboration, and time management. I also got an opportunity to learn about the SQL commands in depth and how to separate the parameters from the SQL commands and also to create the new attribute with respect to the commands. Working closely with my team and supervisors, I received compliments from the guide as well as learned how to cooperate in professional life from my IT department such as team collaboration, time and leadership quality. Overall, the internship which was given to me was both challenging and rewarding, enhancing my understanding of the development, equipping me with essential skills for success in the field. I was awarded with a precious RWF certificate. So the references are the Visual Studio, .NET Core MVC 6, MS SQL, MS SQL Learning, and C hash Learning. From this journey of my internship, I have learned a lot about my technical skills and my management skills. Due to my technical skills, I have cleared all my interviews, such as in the companies called Scalar, as a role of business analyst, and also due to this internship experience, I have cleared many other interviews as well. I hope you got some information from my video. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.